Welcome to the 40 Plus Style Guide, the place where mature men learn how to dress with clarity, confidence, and quiet sophistication. Today's video, Stop Wearing All Black. 15 Winter Color Combos for Men 40 Plus. Shows you how the right colors can completely transform your winter style. By shifting from flat, aging black outfits to refined modern color pairings, you'll look sharper, younger, and more intentional every day. If you're ready to upgrade your early winter wardrobe with rich tones and elegant combinations, make sure to subscribe and join thousands of men redefining mature winter style. 1. Camel and Navy. Camel and navy form one of the strongest winter color combinations for men over 40 because the contrast is refined, powerful, and effortlessly timeless. Camel brightens the complexion during early winter, while navy grounds the outfit with depth and authority. This combination avoids the harsh heaviness of all black, while still maintaining sophistication. Men over 40 benefit from these tones because they add maturity without dullness, offering a quiet luxury balance of warmth and clarity. When paired with smooth knits and tailored trousers, camel and navy create a confident silhouette ideal for European and American winter settings, perfect for business districts, art neighborhoods, or stylish weekend walks. Two. Olive and cream. Olive and cream create a sophisticated winter pairing that instantly elevates men over 40. Olive adds depth without the harshness of dark tones, while cream introduces warmth and brightness that enhances mature facial features. This combination feels European, cultured, and subtly luxurious, far more interesting than wearing all black. Olive brings grounded masculinity, and cream softens the overall look, creating a balanced winter outfit ideal for cafes, galleries, and weekend outings. The key to elegance here is texture. Pairing smooth knits with structured outerwear enhances dimension, making the outfit appear modern and polished. 3. Charcoal and burgundy. Charcoal and burgundy are perfect for men 40 plus who want winter color without appearing flashy. Charcoal delivers authority and structure, while burgundy adds depth, richness, and a touch of personality. This combination elevates winter outfits by offering refined color variation that still feels masculine and timeless. Burgundy also complements mature skin tones, making the face appear more vibrant in colder months. When paired with tailored trousers and polished footwear, this combination becomes a quiet but powerful statement, ideal for formal dinners, stylish city walks, or European-inspired winter evenings. 4. Taupe and midnight blue. Taupe and midnight blue create a quiet luxury winter combination loved by stylish older men because it looks refined, calm, and deeply sophisticated. Midnight blue offers depth similar to black, but without harshness, making it better suited for men over 40. Taupe brings softness and elegance, balancing the outfit and giving it a high-end European aesthetic. This pairing works beautifully in early winter because it maintains warmth and tone while still looking sharp and structured. When combined with lightweight wool and fine knits, the result is a polished winter style that feels timeless and effortlessly classy. 5. Stone gray and forest green. Stone gray and forest green form a striking winter combination that adds sophistication without relying on black. Gray brings structure and modern clarity, while forest green introduces depth and character perfect for mature men who want to stand out subtly. This pairing feels grounded yet elevated, ideal for early winter when richer tones enhance presence without overwhelming. Forest green also pairs beautifully with neutral footwear, making outfits look intentional and harmonized. This combo gives men over 40 a fresh alternative that remains timeless, quiet, and elegant. Six, brown and light blue. Brown and light blue create a refreshing winter combination that adds warmth and sophistication without overpowering the outfit. Brown brings mature groundedness, while light blue introduces clarity and brightness, softening the look in a way that complements men over 40 exceptionally well. This pairing avoids the heaviness of all black and delivers an elegant, yet approachable winter style. Light blue provides a subtle coolness ideal for early winter, while the brown tones maintain richness and depth. Together, they form a color combo that looks European, cultured, and effortlessly refined. When styled with structured outerwear and tailored trousers, the result is a polished yet relaxed outfit suitable for city commuting, brunch, or upscale casual evenings. Seven, sand beige and deep teal. Sand beige paired with deep teal creates a winter color combination that feels luxurious, modern, and subtly bold without being loud. Sand beige introduces softness and quiet sophistication, while deep teal adds richness, depth, and a whisper of individuality. This pairing is ideal for men over 40 who want elegance with a touch of uniqueness, something stylish but still mature. Sand tones illuminate the face in winter light, and teal adds cool refinement, making the entire outfit feel premium and intentional. This combination is popular among European and American stylish men who embrace modern color while maintaining timeless structure. Eight, gray and pastel pink. Gray paired with pastel pink may seem unexpected, but it's one of the most elegant winter combinations for mature men, especially when executed subtly. Gray provides structure and neutrality, while pastel pink introduces warmth, modernity, and a youthful softness that does not look childish. Instead, it projects confidence and refined taste, perfect for men over 40 who want to add personality without overpowering their outfit. This combo is widely seen in high-end European menswear because it balances masculinity with sophistication. In early winter, pastel pink brightens the complexion and contrasts beautifully with sharp gray tones. Nine, espresso brown and cream. Espresso and cream create one of the richest winter combinations available for men over 40. Espresso offers luxurious depth reminiscent of old money styling, while cream adds light, warmth, and refinement. This pairing feels aristocratic without being flashy and complements mature men extremely well. Cream lifts the face and espresso anchors the look with strength. When styled with tailored trousers and polished footwear, the result looks upscale, confident, and timeless, perfect for early winter strolls, holiday gatherings, or weekend sophistication in European and American cities. Ten, midnight blue and light gray. Midnight blue and light gray form a crisp, intelligent winter combination perfect for men 40+. Midnight blue maintains depth without the harsh aging effect of black, while light gray introduces sharpness and clarity. This pairing communicates confidence and intellect, something often associated with European and American business districts. The contrast is clean yet not loud, making it ideal for early winter weather when you want to look polished without looking heavy. Light gray brightens the look, and midnight blue keeps it grounded and professional. 11. Charcoal and tan. Charcoal and tan deliver a balanced winter combination that feels intelligent, warm, and refined. Perfect for men over 40 who want to move away from dull, all-black outfits. Charcoal brings sharp structure without looking severe, while tan introduces approachable warmth that complements European and American mature features beautifully. Together, the shades create clarity and sophistication ideal for early winter days when the air is cold, but the atmosphere remains dry. This pairing works well in business environments, quiet cafes, or city strolls because it blends professionalism with soft luxury. The key is choosing refined fabrics that hold shape, allowing charcoal to anchor the look while tan elevates it. Cream and olive gray. Cream paired with olive gray produces a refined winter combination that feels both soft and modern. Ideal for men over 40 seeking subtle luxury without overwhelming color. Cream brightens the face, helping mature skin appear more vibrant in cold weather, while olive gray introduces a cultured, understated depth often seen in European winter fashion. This pairing avoids harshness while maintaining structure and sophistication. When executed with tailored trousers and smooth winter knits, the result is a quiet luxury aesthetic that looks intentional and intelligent. It's especially effective in early winter when natural light is cooler, allowing cream and olive gray to harmonize beautifully. Burgundy and sand. Burgundy and sand form a sophisticated winter color combination that adds richness without appearing loud or trendy, making it perfect for men over 40 who want subtle personality. Burgundy introduces depth and character, while sand softens the palette, creating a balanced elegance reminiscent of old money European winter style. This combination feels confident yet approachable, making it suitable for dinners, city evenings, or weekend outings. The key is using clean silhouettes and refined materials so the colors can shine without distraction. Sand grounds the look, and burgundy enriches it, resulting in timeless, mature style. Navy and stone beige. Navy and stone beige offer a minimalist winter combination that is sleek, masculine, and highly refined. Navy brings depth and maturity without the aging effect of pure black, while stone beige brightens the overall outfit with understated elegance. This pairing is favored among stylish American and European men because it adapts effortlessly to business or casual winter settings. The balance of dark and light tones creates a polished silhouette that looks sharp in early winter lighting, making the wearer appear well-composed and intentional. Combined with structured outerwear, this combo becomes an instant classic for men over 40. Cocoa brown and soft gray. Cocoa brown and soft gray create one of the most elegant winter combinations for men 40+. Cocoa brown adds warmth and richness, while soft gray introduces a calming, refined contrast. This pairing avoids harsh visual impact and delivers a gentle but masculine appearance. It works particularly well in early winter when muted natural light enhances the subtle interplay between warm and cool tones. This combination feels premium, cultured, and timeless, often seen in upscale European winter style. When paired with clean knits and tailored trousers, the result is a mature outfit that communicates confidence without loudness. Thanks for watching the 40+ Style Guide, where we help men over 40 dress with timeless confidence and refined elegance. These 15 winter color combinations were designed to elevate your outfits beyond basic black and introduce sophistication through thoughtful tones and mature contrast. If today's video inspired you to try new colors this season, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who wants to look sharper this winter. Stay warm, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next episode, right here on the 40 Plus Style Guide.